Good morning everybody. So today's concept is how to find the squares from 25 to 75. Okay, so we'll go through the examples. So whenever you are solving 25 to 75, so always consider base as 50. Always consider base is 50. Okay, suppose if I am taking 52 square. So once you understood the method, so it will be easy to solve the questions. Now first step is the difference between these two, 50 and 52. The difference is how much? 2. Difference is 2. So I will write it here. Difference between 50 and 52. 50 and 52, that will be 2. So difference between 50 and 52 is 2 and 2 square is 0.4. 2 square is 0.4. So condition is always 2-digit number. So next, second step. Compared to 50, 52 is how much more? That 2 you have to add it to 25. So 25 plus 2 to 27. Okay. So now I'll take one more example. Just see. Assume it 54 square. 54 square. So compared to 50, 54 is how much more it is? 4 more. So 4 square is 16. So condition is always you have to consider 2-digit. So next, compared to 50, 54 is how much more? That difference between these two is how much? 4. So 4 is more. So this 4 is you have to add it to 25. So 25 plus 4, 29. Suppose if I am going through the 48 square. 48 square. So compared to 50, 48 is 2 less. 2 less. So difference is how much? 2. So 2 square is how much? 0.4. How much is less? Compared to 50, 48 is how much less? So that one you can subtract from the 25. So 25 minus 2, 23. If it is more compared to 50, it is more means 25 plus. If it is compared to 50 less means 25 minus. Now suppose if I am talking about 72 square. See here. Compared to 50, 72 is how much is more? 72 is 22 more. So 22 more means you have to write it 22 square. 22 square is 484. 484. But our condition is only, you have to consider only 2-digit. So 2-digit means this 4 will be carry. This 4 will be carry. So compared to 50, 72 is 22 more. So 22 more means you have to add it 25 plus 22. That is 47 plus 4. So it will be how much? 51. Next, suppose if I am talking about 46 square. 46 square. Compared to 50, 46 is 4 less. So 4 less means 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. So now compared to 50, 46 is 4 less means this 4 you have to subtract from the 25. So 25 minus 4 is how much? 21. Now suppose if I am talking about 38 square. 38 square. Compared to 50, 38 is 12 less. So 12 less means 12 square is 144. So carry is how much? 1. Because our condition is only you have to consider 2-digit. So compared to 50, 38 is 12 less means, so 12 you have to subtract from 25. So 25 minus 12, 13. So 13 plus this carry is 1. That is how much? Totally 14. Okay. So these are the some examples related to find the squares from 25 to 75. So next we will go to some more example. So if I am talking about 43 square. So 43 square. Compared to 50, 43 is 7 less. So 7 square you have to write it 49, but condition is always we have to write it 2-digit number. So now compared to 50, 43 is 7 less means, So this 7 you have to subtract from 25. So 25 minus 7 is how much? 18. So our answer is 43 square is 1849. Next, suppose if I am talking about 36 square, 36 square compared to 50, 36 is 14 less. So 14 square is 196. But we want only 2 digit. Then 1 will be carry. 1 will be carry. So compared to 50, 36 is 14 less. And this 14 you subtract from the 25. So 25 minus 14, it is 11 plus 1. So it will be how much totally? 12. So then 36 square is 1296. Next, if I am talking about 68 square, 68 square compared to 50, 68 is, compared to 50, 68 is 18 more, 18 more. So 18 square is 324. But our condition is only how to write it? 2 digit. So remaining 3 will be carry forward. So now compared to 50, 68 is 18 more. So that 18 you have to add it in 25. So 25 plus 18, 43 plus 3. So it will be how much? 46. It will be 46. Next, compared to, okay, next one more example we will take 74 square. Compared to 50, 74 is 24 more. So 24 square we have to write it 576. Carry will be how much? 5. And compared to 50, 74 is 24 more, means that 24 you can add it to 25. So 25 plus 24, 49 plus this carry forward is 5. So 49 plus 5, 54. Now we'll take one more example. One more example. Suppose if I am talking about 27 square compared to 50, 27 is 23 less. So 23 square is 529. But our condition is only 2 digit number. You have to consider. So leftward 5 will be carry forward. So now compared to 50, 27 is 23 less. So that 23 you have to subtract from 25. So 25 minus 23, 2. And plus this 5. So total will be how much? 7. So 27 square is 729. Okay. So now this concept is how to find square from 25 to 75. Okay. So next we will go through next concept, that will be how to find the squares from 76 to 125. Okay. So up to here, anything, do you have a doubts? You can comment it. So we'll carry forward in the next class.